In this video, you are going to see how to remove the watermark from Microsoft Word document. We are going to apply two different methods. Let's get started. Here you will see the watermark. For the first method, go to Design, go to Watermark and just click on Remove Watermark. Then the watermark will be removed. Here we are going to apply the second trick. Go to Design, go to Watermark. If I click on the Remove Watermark, you will see the watermark is not removing. So in this case, we want to double click over the header space like this, or we can go to Insert, go to Header and click on Edit Header. Now I can select the text from here and select it and press the delete button to delete. Then click Close Header and Footer. And you will see I have removed the watermark successfully. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.